Hello traders. Today is the 8th of April 2011, and happy trading to you all. This video is about Forex trading strategy regarding the Euro USD currency pair. As you know, even those who are trading stock or any other financial instrument, we know that the Euro USD is a market indicator. Okay, so when the Euro USD is going up, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and all the major indices will go up. Again, also when the Euro USD is going up, you will see very often that the crude oil also will be going up. Okay, this is the weekly chart of the Euro USD, and we did a video regarding this currency pair last time, and I still have here my drawing on my chart. Okay, this was a hot spot trading zone. Okay, this zone here where I left my spotlight since last time we did this video. All the spotlight was here, and the euro manages to break this resistance level of 14215. Okay, this is what we are talking about. That when a price is at a resistance zone, it does not mean that the price will definitely find a resistance there, because the mistake that many swing traders are making, as soon as they see that the price is at a resistance zone, they will place order there to sell. We do not trade that way. We wait for the price, the number one indicator, to give us a clear-cut signal to sell before we sell. As you can see here, the Euro USD has crossed this hot spot trading zone and continued the movement to the upside. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, so if you follow the price, if you keep your eyes wide open, instead of assuming that the price will definitely turn around here, as I did here, I show you here that there is a high probability that the euro may find a resistance here. Very important, may find a resistance here, which it did not find. If it did find a resistance here, it will turn around and continue the movement to retest our first target here. But the euro did find a support in this zone on this weekly chart of the Euro USD and continue the movement to the upside. Okay, now in this video, what I want you to pay attention to, it is very important level here, the middle line. Okay, this middle line, the middle line of these two yellow line. Okay, this level of 14215 and the level of 14600. The price now at the midline of that channel. Okay, you see this channel here limited by the 14215 and the 14600. The price is now at the middle line, which I'm going to color now into I will use a white color. Okay, so all the drawing that I have on the chart, I will leave them intact on the chart, so next time when we are doing another video, you can know exactly where we did stop. So we are again at a very important resistance level here. So if you are creaming this market to the upside up to this level, this a common sense that you may take some profit at this point, because this is a resistance zone. Again, you see this level here, very important. Again, this resistance zone is exactly the same level as the middle line of this first channel here. Okay, but if the euro cross this white horizontal line and continue the movement to the upside, the next target will be in this zone of 14600. That remains to be seen. So as a TSTW24 trader, TSTWSY S08 trader, we know that we again, this is why we are talking about a hot spot trading zone. This is again today, we are again at a hot spot trading zone. This level here was a hot spot trading zone. This level here was a hot spot trading zone. This level here was a hot spot trading zone, because you do not want to trade in a void. You want to make your trading decision at a hot spot trading zone. So this is again another hot spot trading zone. We are now again at a hot spot trading zone. If the price manages to cross this hot spot trading zone to the upside, the next step is another hot spot trading zone, which is in the zone of 14600. Okay, this is how we are trading. Okay, on the other hand, the same thing we have for the USD yen. If I show you on the week, this is a weekly chart of the USD yen currency pair, and I have again on my chart my drawing on this chart, and we know that the hot spot level that the USD yen must cross, it has already crossed it. This level where I put the spotlight in my previous video, still on my chart here, this level of 8427. okay, 8427, and there is a high probability that the USD yen may seek this next target, which is 8615, but that remains to be seen. There is a high probability that the USD yen may hit the 8615 before coming back and touch this level again of 8427. So we are watching carefully this zone, because again we are again at a very important level on the USD yen. If I draw again the middle line of this channel here, you see I will color the channel now in red so you know exactly where we are now. Okay, so this is how you will trade. Do not trade in the void. This is very important. Do not just go and place your trade anyhow. But if you are using the TSTW24, the first best time frame, do not trade against the first best time frame. Very, very important. If you haven't watched the video that we posted at www.best-trading-strategy.com, you may go and watch the video in VIP room 2. Excellent video, and a video that we titled the importance of the first best time frame. Go back and watch it very carefully. So we are in this channel here, and we know that our next target is in this level of 8615. But again, okay, looking carefully, we are again at the middle line. You see, this is the middle line of this red channel here. I'll color the middle line in a different color again, so you know exactly. The middle line is the green one. That's why we are now. That's why the price is struggling in this zone. This is again a very hot spot trading zone. Okay, the price can perfectly turn around here. Okay, I will use my arrow again and show you what is high probability. We are not talking about certainty. The price may perfectly come back and retest this level here. That will be a perfect place to look for opportunity to buy. If the price come down, okay, pay attention. The price now at 8505. Okay, if the price find a resistance at this hot spot trading zone, which is the middle line of the red channel, okay, and come back down to this level of 8427. 8427 will be excellent place to look for opportunity to re-enter again, to continue the movement to the upside as this arrow here. I'm talking about this arrow here. So instead of the USD yen continue the movement to hit this level of 8615, okay, if you find a resistance here, do not ignore the resistance. It's very important. So it's your navigation. You need to know where you are going, okay, what you have in front of you as you are. It's like driving, and you want to know what is in front of you. Now we are at a resistance zone. Do not ignore it. Okay, the price can perfectly turn around here, or go above it and continue to hit this level here, or go above it as it did already go above it. It went above it before. Now it's coming back below it. So we are watching carefully. Three things the price can do at the key levels. So do not forget that. So the price can perfectly turn around, okay, and come back. I'm not saying definitely today, because we are looking at the weekly chart. It may take some days to do that, but you have the tool, the TSTWSY08 and the TSTW24 trading system. For those who are using the TSTW24 trading system, the first best time frame is the key. So we are watching carefully this hotspot trading zone. In my view, okay, the best scenario, okay, the best scenario will be for this currency pair to come back and retest the 8427, because we break the hotspot resistance zone of this double bottom pattern. This is the nut of the double bottom pattern. Now you break it, which is perfectly bullish, which means the bearish pressure is now over. Okay, we will watch for a retest of this level of 8427. That remain to be seen. The price can perfectly continue the movement to the upside. This is what I'm saying to traders. We are not ordinary traders, because the old method of trading has failed badly. We are busy, okay, guiding traders, okay, to adopt a different mindset of trading, okay, in order to achieve consistent winning trade. We do not place trade anyhow, because the price is a resistance zone. People sell. We do not do that. We observe the price. We again at a hotspot trading zone. This is the USD yen currency pair. Looking at the Euro USD, as I show you already, okay, on this chart, this is where we are now. again at a hotspot trading zone in the midline of this yellow channel. We know that the ECB, the European Central Bank, has increased the rate. There's a high probability, there's a bullish momentum in this Euro USD. So because the rate has been increased, the Euro may continue the movement non-stop up to this level of 146.00, but that remains to be seen. But we must acknowledge that the price now at a resistance zone of this white horizontal line of 143.99. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTWSYS 008 traders. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.